Bidding strategies is the only thing that will define how your campaign is going to perform. Okay. What will be the campaign? How Google will optimize? Why Google will optimize? On which factors Google should optimize? Everything completely depends on only one thing, that is bidding strategy. What is bid?
Money. The amount we are.
The amount that you are giving. Is it daily budget?
No. Per click.
Per click that you are paying, that is a bid. It means at that point of time when the search is happening, you are giving 500. How much Google will charge per click? 500.
No. The bid amount. The bid amount we are.
Per day, how much Google will
per
charge? Click. Every time will it be same or different?
Different.
Different. So at that point of time, Google will take, it depends on your competitors. That is a bid amount. Okay. Bidding is nothing but when the auction process happening. Strategy means the complete process, how the bidding strategy is going to happen. Okay. Now if I go to my campaign, when I'm creating a campaign, create new campaign, leads, continue, search, continue, new campaign. See what Google is asking me. Bidding. It means how you want to compete with your competitors. What you want to focus on. Conversion value, clicks and impressions. How many bidding strategies we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heading count here now. Okay. Not only 5, we have a lot of bidding strategies that you'll get when you're editing the campaign. Settings. You know how to make changes in the campaign? How to change location. If I scroll, guys, please make your phone silent now. Funny Chandra, what happened? Okay. I went to bidding. Currently the bidding strategy is maximize conversions. I'll select change bid strategy. 1, 2, again 4 you're seeing. While creating campaign also you're seeing this 4. Select bid strategy directly, not recommended. If I click on this, this is what the bid strategies that we have. Automated is 1, manual is 1. So how many types of bidding strategies we have? 2 types. One is automated, also known as smart bidding strategies. Another one is manual. Tell me, what do you think? Like, what does it mean? Manual or automated? Automated or smart? Automated. Same name. Different names, but concept is same. Automated or smart bidding?
ऑटोमेटेड बोले तो वही खुद बिडिंग इतना करो बोल के बता देता, गूगल ही बता देता. मैनुअल अपन कितना चाह रहे हो उसको पे करने के लिए वो मैनुअल.
तो bidding when it's happening per click. If you're focusing on conversion, clicks or anything, who will decide the amount?
Google
will decide. Manual bidding strategy में you'll give the amount. It means only this is the amount I want to pay. For every keyword. Let's say you've added 10 keywords in your campaign. Okay. This keyword I want to pay 5 rupees. This keyword I want to pay 10 rupees. This keyword I want to pay 10 rupees. This is what you can decide in manual bidding strategies. Is it recommended? No. Why? Because you're taking authority from Google to optimize. Because let's say you gave 5 rupees. In automated, people are fighting for 5 rupees. Example. when your ad is not performing, when your Google is trying to show your ad, it can go for 6 rupees also, it can go for, it means you are giving authority to Google to automate the things. Google will automatically change it. But if you give 5 rupees to Google, if there is a possibility till 5 rupees, Google will show your ad. If it's exceeding more than 5 rupees, Google will not show the ad itself, because you are taking authority from the Google. That's why that is the reason we have 9 types of bidding strategies in automated. Manual we have only one type of strategy. Okay, clear? Now let's see what are the types of strategies we have. Clear? Any doubts? What is bidding? What are the types? What are the 2 types? Or one is automated, another one is manual. Okay. Now, which one is this automated? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many I told you? 9. So inside more will be there. Manual bidding strategies, only one. Manual CPC. What is CPC? Cost per click. Now, maximize clicks. See what it's showing. Set bids to help you get most clicks within your budget. What is mean by click? चंदू, भाभी को बोलो क्लास में आओ.
टिफिन जोमेटो लगा इसलिए.
Okay, what do you mean by click? What is impression?
View.
When they see the ad, when they click on the ad, they'll visit your which page?
Landing page.
Landing page. By selecting the bidding strategy click, I'm telling to Google that whatever the daily budget I'm giving, let's say 1000 rupees is the daily budget I'm giving to Google Ads. Okay. In this daily budget, give me as many clicks as possible. Now Google will optimize only for clicks. Google will not focus on conversions. Google will not focus on impressions. Google will not focus on anything. Priority of Google will be only to give you clicks. That is the work of Google. If you select which bidding strategy, maximize clicks. You're telling to Google that take this 1000 rupees, give me as many clicks as possible. Okay. What is the benefit here? Acha, if Google is focusing on clicks, do you think you'll get conversions?
No.
Is there any possibility of conversion?
Maybe.
Yes. Why? Because Google cannot force the user. Google will bring the user to your website. If user is feeling good, they'll fill the form. If everything they like. If they're not, it depends on user. So possibility of conversion is there. But what Google will try to prioritize? Only clicks. Now why clicks? Because you are focusing on a different strategy. When you're starting a new business, let's say you don't want to get conversion directly. First you want to gather the data of people. So that first you're bringing people to your landing page. Okay. Once they visit your landing page, what you're doing? Remarketing. First you're bringing people to your website, then you're doing remarketing to them. So here you'll focus on conversions. Here you'll not focus on conversions. Got it? Here your priority will be only to bring people to your website. If they fill the form, well and good. If they don't fill the form, you got the data, you can do
Remarketing.
Got it? Clear what is clicks? Any doubts? Now, clicks is always recommended when you're creating a campaign in new ad account and when you're doing campaign for the first time. Okay, because if you're doing campaign in your Google Ads, Google doesn't know who is your audience. Google doesn't know what is your business. Google doesn't know what type of people should Google send to your website and all. Okay, so that is why starting we will not focus on conversions. We can focus on clicks. First, after focusing on clicks, let people come to your website. Then Google will understand, okay, they are filling the form, they are not filling the form. Why they are not filling the form? This type of people this ad account is expecting. this type of people that this business is accepting. Google will also learn where to optimize, how to optimize and all. Now after learning, Google will categorize your ad account into one type. According to that, if you create another campaign, Google already have a previous data, then only Google can optimize your campaigns. This is one of the reasons why you should not run different businesses in one ad account. Correct? How Google will learn? Because we connected our website to our ad account. Landing page, conversion tracking. If you don't do conversion tracking, it won't learn. Got it? So when you are creating a new campaign, what is recommended always?
Clicks.
Clicks. But if your client is saying, I'm not ready to experiment, I want conversion directly, you can go over conversion. But again, always recommended is clicks. What am I telling to Google? Take this 1000 rupees daily budget, give me this much of clicks. Now how many clicks Google might give me? As many as possible. Clear? Any doubts? What is clicks? So how many types of bidding strategies we have?
Two types.
And this is one very important interview question. They can ask you what are the bidding strategies, when we should use clicks, what are the 2 types, what are the 9 types of strategies and all. Okay? 2 types we have. What are those 2 types? Automated and
Manual.
manual. How many are there in automated?
9.
Manual में?
One.
What's the difference?
Optimization.
Manual में we are taking control. Automated में we are giving control to
Google.
Clear? Now, once I click on maximize clicks, below this I have an option. Set maximum cost per click bid limit. This bidding strategy is known as max CPC, maximum CPC. What is CPC? Cost per click. First case में what I am telling to Google, take my daily budget, give me as many clicks as possible. Second case में what I am doing, max CPC bid limit. Let's say for example 30. I am telling to Google that give me as many clicks as possible in this amount. If I select max CPC, I am also telling to Google that 30 rupees I can pay per click. It means here what happens, Google will bid from 0, Google will bid from 1, Google will bid from 2, 3 and all. Slowly Google will do. Here what happens, Google will bid your campaign directly from 30 or up to 30 it can take. Like it can go for 25, it can go for 20, it can go for 30, because you are ready to pay how much?
30 rupees per click.
30 rupees. Which one is good? This one is good or this one is good? Second. Why second one is good? You are paying more amount. Here Google might charge you less also, because you are leaving everything on Google.
But it might charge you high also.
It might charge you high also. And also, whenever you are not giving any amount to Google, how Google will optimize? See, clicks. What is one more? Max CPC. Okay. Now let's say you gave 1000 rupees to Chandu. Okay. You told him to bring tomatoes. Bring as many tomatoes as possible. You are not focusing on good quality tomatoes. What you are focusing on?
Tomatoes.
Tomato. How many he will bring?
As much as
So
possible.
what will be the quality of that tomatoes?
Low.
You are saying ki bring tomato 50 rupees per kg. Will that be a good quality?
Hmm.
Yes. So when you are focusing here, you are compromising on
Quality.
quality. Here you will get good quality clicks. It means people who are visiting your website, you are bidding for 30 rupees. Competitors are also bidding for similar amount. So good quality clicks you will get. If you remarket them, there is a possibility of conversion very high. Here you will focus on quantity, here you will focus on
Quality.
quality. Got it? About clicks and max CPC. Here you are not giving the amount, here you are giving the
Amount.
Now how do I decide this amount if you want to give?
Keyword planning, keyword pricing.
Keyword planning. But even when you're getting started, recommended is only maximize clicks. Why? Because let people come to your website first. Let Google understand. Once you get the data, then you'll be able to track how much amount you have spent per click. Okay? When you get a data. Or starting if you want to give this. Keyword planner may you have low bid and high bid. You have to start giving from average. Let's say low bid is 30, high bid is 50. What is average? Around
40.
40. So you can start with 40. What if Google is not giving you good results? Change it to keep increasing.
Mhm.
Got it? So how many types of bidding strategy we discussed till now?
2
One is clicks,
max.
one is
CPC.
max CPC. What is the difference?
Quality.
Quality. Maximum clicks में you're telling that to Google that take this amount, give me as many clicks as possible. Max CPC में give me as many as possible, but I can pay this much of amount per click, so that it will give you a good quality clicks. Clear?
Yes.
Just go through this everyone and let me know if you have any doubts. Now, which strategy is this? Automated or manual?
Automated.
Automated. Just go through this. One is maximize clicks and one is
Clicks.
maximum CPC. Clear? Any doubts? Now, second option you have maximize conversions, target CPA. Now, maximize clicks, max
CPC.
CPC. You are giving your daily budget to Google. It can be 100, it can be 1000, it can be 10,000, depends. You are giving this 1000 rupees to Google. You are focusing on clicks. Okay. Now, how much Google will charge? You are not giving any amount. Here, you are giving certain amount to Google so that Google can charge bid up to this particular amount. Similarly, here what you are focusing on? Conversions. Again, your whatever the budget is there, you are giving it to Google. In this case, you are telling to Google that I want conversions. I want people to come to my landing page and I want them to fill the form. What Google will focus on? Clicks? No. Google will focus on. Now, first case में Google will show your ads to people in such a way that they should only click. Here they'll show ad to people in such a way that who might fill the form. Now, how Google knows all these things? How Google can decide? Because of
Data.
user journey. Let's say, for example, first time I'll never fill the form. I search for multiple times, then I may fill the form. First time I may click. So when you're focusing on clicks, Google might show your ad to the new users completely. But when you're focusing on conversions, Google might show your ad who already searched for multiple times, and possibility is that if they click on your landing page, they might fill the form. Correct? This is what you maximize
Conversions.
conversion. Google will prioritize to give you as many form fills as possible. In what budget? In the daily budget.
1000 rupees.
Correct? Now, do you think Google will charge for click or form fill?
Click.
Click.
Entire PPC module based on click only. But what Google will optimize,
It will push the
even if people do you think everyone will fill the form who visits?
No.
Even if they don't fill the form, Google will charge them. Because model itself is PPC. Google won't care if they fill the form, if they don't fill the form. Google goal is to send good quality people to your, and the quality depends on your keyword match type, your landing page relevancy, your quality score, your ad rank, everything. Okay, so it's up to you. See what type of quality leads you. First, once everything is perfect from our side, then let Google optimize. So in maximum conversions, what Google will do? Google will try to give you as many conversions as possible, and in the given budget. Got it? Next, one more bidding strategy you have: target CPA. See, maximum maximize CPC is with maximize clicks. Target CPA is with maximize conversions. Another bidding strategy, target.
CPA.
What is CPA?
Cost per customer acquisition.
That's what you were asking on that. Cost per acquisition or cost per action. In this case, I'm telling to Google that let's say 200. I can give you 200 rupees per one acquisition. It means if one person fill the form, my budget is up to 200 rupees. Now Google can give you form one lead in 100 also, 200 also, 300 also. No, not more than 200. Now do you think if you got zero conversions in target CPA also, do you think Google will charge the amount?
No.
Yes.
Click.
Again, it depends on click concept. See, amount will be charged only on click. But here Google will optimize in such a way that people who are clicking, let's say you got one click for 50 rupees. You got 5 clicks. How much amount you have spent? Out of the 5 clicks, you got one conversion only. How much amount you have spent to get one conversion? 250 rupees. So Google will charge based on click only, but it will optimize for conversions. So the ad will be shown to people who might be
Fill the
filling
form.
the form. And again, what is the difference? Maximize conversions, target, CPA. Daily budget that you are giving, again you are compromising on what? Correct. Here you are getting good quality conversion because you are ready to pay this much of amount to Google. Here if you don't give any amount, so Google will start bidding again from zero. Okay. Now there are certain areas where competition will be very high. Let's say this is Hyderabad. Hyderabad mein, let's say for example, more competition is in Amirpet. If you are giving certain amount to Google, 250, it will try to show your ad in this competitive area. Where there is more competition, quality will also be very good. Budget will also be very good. But let's say Esanagar is there, where competition is less. You have targeted the location Hyderabad. Just an example, where very small competitors are fighting. If competition is very less, budget will also be less. Quality also will be less. So if you are focusing on maximum conversions, you are compromising on a quality. But if you are giving target CPA, it will give you good quality conversions. Now, if you get conversions, you can directly understand the quality of the conversions by calling them there. Because you'll get a form fill, you'll download all the forms somewhere, Fluent Forms. You'll call them, did you fill the form? Yes. But even though you cannot guarantee the quality, like people might fill the form, Google will try to optimize 100% for the quality. But there is a possibility that 250 minutes not giving you good quality results. Again, what you have to do? Increase the budget. Make it 300, make it 400. Now, how do we decide this? How do we decide that how much amount to give you? We cannot guess. Because first you have to run campaign on clicks, or either you have to run campaigns on conversions. Once you get few data, then in the backend Google will give you. This is the amount that we got per conversion. It means on an average 150 rupees you have spent per conversion. Give a call to that conversion. If it's quality, good. You can start bidding with 150 rupees again because already you have a data from which campaigns? Previous campaigns. Got it? Clicks, max CPC, conversions, target CPA, both are same. Clicks mein you are focusing on clicks, here you are focusing on conversions. That is the only.
Sir, we have to create for clicks a different campaign and conversion.
For
different
everything different campaign.
Different campaign.
Different ad groups also cannot be created because bidding strategy in which level?
Campaign.
If you want to use two bidding strategies, two different campaigns. Got it? Just go through this, everyone. CPA. Next. next we have is maximize conversion value and target ROIs. I'll tell you. Maximize conversion value. What is conversion? What is the meaning of value?
Cost we spent on one conversion.
Okay. Remember, by creating conversion tracking, you had three options: conversion value, same value for each conversion, different value for each conversion. Don't select any value. Remember, conversion tracking. What is it for? Only because you don't know what is the value of your conversion. Let's say you got 10 leads, 10 conversions you got. Okay. Out of that, let's say your course fee is 10,000. How much revenue you made?
1 lakh.
1 lakh did you make?
10 conversions.
No. 10 conversions you got. Matlab 10 leads you got.
Hmm.
How many people purchased your course?
10
We cannot tell.
depends.
It can be 10,000, it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be anything. Okay. But when it comes to e-commerce, let's say you're selling sarees. Okay. Price of your saree is 400. Okay. When someone go to your website, whenever they make a purchase, did you make the revenue of 400? Yes. So this is the value of your
Conversion.
convert. Okay. Now, what Google will try to optimize, maximize conversion. Where do we give that value? While setting up conversion. But only if you are doing it for e-commerce, not for lead generation businesses. It means Google will try to give you maximize conversion value. It means your product is 400, we give the value. Now Google knows that this is the value of your customer. So it will try to give you maximum value in conversion value. One more bidding we have is target ROAS. What is ROAS?
Return on in ads. Huh?
Return on ad spend. Let's say I want 5 times returns. Okay. You're telling to Google that if I'm spending 1 rupee, I need at least how much? 5 rupees. That is what in your target ROAS. It will try to maximize the value. How much it will maximize? We don't know. It can maximize 1x, 10x, 2x, 3x. It can be anything. But here you are selecting, I want this much of maximize. Like I want 5 times of return in my ads, in my ad spend. So here you are giving returns, this much I want. Here you are not giving to Google, give me as much as possible. Google will. Got it? This is what your conversion value and your target ROAS. Got it? 100 years to utna budget also Google will take. But we'll give. I'll ask whatever I want. But competitor will also bid. So how many types I've told you till now?
6.
4? 2 types. Automated and manual. In automated, how many I told you? 2.
6 है.
6. Okay. One is
Maximize clicks.
maximize clicks. One is
Max CPC.
PPC. One is maximize.
Conversions.
One is target CP. What is CPA? Next, maximize conversion.
దాని ముందు ఇంకోటి.
Target. Maximize CPC will always be with maximize clicks. Target CPC will always be with maximize conversion. Return on ad spend. Return on ad spend. Now ROI is with always maximize Conversion.
Value. It's mostly for income.
What is an impression?
View. It displays ad.
Now, whenever you're seeing ad on SCRP, how many you'll see on top?
3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Bottom?
3.
The first ad that you're seeing here is known as absolute top. 2, 3, 4 are known as
Top.
top. This is known as
Bottom.
anywhere.
Anyway.
Because second page पे भी ads will be there. Anywhere on page or search engine page. Absolute top and
Anywhere.
anywhere. What happened? Wrong family. Okay. Impression is nothing but when you're focusing on impressions only. Here we have another bidding strategy called target impression share. Okay. This bidding strategy is used when you want to focus only on impressions for branding. You're saying that whenever someone searches for this particular keyword, I always want to be on top. I don't care about clicks, I don't care about conversions, I don't care about anything. Branding. Everywhere your ad should be shown so that people can recognize. Awareness.
How will Google target?
See, even you're focusing on impressions, do you think people will not click? Google will. If they don't click, you're lucky. But they will click. Out of 1,000 users, don't you think few people will click? They'll click. Okay. So target impression is share is nothing but impression what you want. Let's say search volume is of that particular keyword per day is 100. Okay. By focusing on target impression share, you want maximum number of share. 100 people are searching, you want 50% of people to see your ad. Now, where you want to show that ad? What is absolute top?
First,
Top,
second, third, fourth.
anywhere on the results page.
Anywhere. Bottom.
Now Google is asking you from where you want these impressions. You want on always top, you want second, third and fourth, or you want
Anywhere.
anywhere. You have.
First page, second page, third page.
Sorry. Now I want saying ki, let's say I want always on absolute top. How many percentage of times you want? Let's say 100 people are searching. 100 impressions. Out of that 100, what is the percentage of impressions that you want? Let's say I want only
10%.
50%. Now I am saying to Google that I want impressions will be always on
Top.
50% of the times. 50% impressions give it to me, 50% of the impressions give it to my competitors. This is what your target impression share. Got it? Maximum CPC bid limit. If someone clicks on the ad, even though you're focusing on impressions, but people might click. And this is not optional here. This is mandatory. If you give 15, if you give very less, Google will not work on this. You have to pay bid the highest amount. How do you decide this again? Low bid, high bid, take an average of that, enter the amount here. This is what target impression share. Got it? When you have to use this, when you want branding. And if you go to companies, 90% of the time you'll not work on the bidding strategies. You'll work on maximize clicks and maximize conversions. With CPC bid limit, CP. Mostly you'll work on conversions. Okay. If it's an e-commerce company, then you'll work on conversions. Clear what is target impression share? Any doubts? No doubts? Got it? When to use clicks, when to use conversions, when to use impression share and all? Okay.
Let's say if we target some tier 2, tier 3 customers, can we choose this target impression share?
See, customer, it doesn't matter which city is that. Why? Because you're focusing on branding.
Search volume will be low.
No, location you'll be targeting Hyderabad. Let's say Hyderabad in any specific location पे you want to do.
Let's say I've got customer from Vijayawada.
Okay. Max CPC and max conversion, target CPA, conversion value, ROAS, and now it can go for 15 also, it can go for 5 also. You don't know when Google will change. Today you'll see these bidding strategies, tomorrow you'll not see this one. Google can change anytime. But these are common. Since long time Google did not change this. There was a bidding strategy called enhanced CPC. Google removed it. Okay. Now one more bidding strategy we have. Target CPM. What is CPM?
Cost per milli.
What does it mean, cost per milli? Per 1000 impressions. It works on which campaign?
Display.
Because only search campaign work based on click. Display ad don't work based on click. If you get impressions also, it will be charged in display.
Oh.
One more bidding strategy is there. Target CP. Now, one common bidding strategy, it can be more also. I'll show you more in display campaign. Okay. What is CPM? What is CPM?
Cost per milli.
Cost per milli. Per 1000 impressions. What is CPM? Cost per
View.
It means cost per view is available in which campaign?
Display.
YouTube. No, YouTube campaign, YouTube ads.
What different?
Display different, YouTube.
Google
Will
में
do.
नहीं आता सर. Google में नहीं आता. YouTube ads.
नहीं गूगल में आता, YouTube में आता. Okay. Clear everyone? If anyone calls you 3:45 AM in the morning, you have to, and you have to buttify this bidding strategies, because this won't change. Major changes never happen. Minor changes will happen. So you have to remember two types of bidding strategies. One is automated, one is manual. Automated may will give everything to Google. Manual may we ourselves will bid the amount. Automated are 9. There can be more. In while doing display and YouTube, I'll show you. Manual means there's only. Got it? Any doubts? Manual I'll show you again later. Okay? You can go through this and let me know if you have any doubts.